we need to talk. These things are seriously underrated. If you are into 22 LR or any precision work, these headset gauges taught me a thing or two about headspace setting. If you think you can measure headspace and you actually get one of these sets and test it, you'll be surprised. I have 4 rifles, all of them manually measured with depth gauges, calipers, everything, even one gun coming back from a gunsmith. And after I got this set from Wooden Gun Works, I was quite surprised to see how far the headspace was actually out. So if you can get a set of these, or even borrow a set from a friend, it's seriously worth the money and so underrated. Cheers.